Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at a versatile storage solution for your media collection. The 4-tier clear acrylic cascading CD holder, which doubles as a DVD display stand, storage box, and even a vinyl record shelf. If you've been struggling to keep your CDs, DVDs, and other media organized without cluttering your shelves, this could be just what you need. This organizer is built from thickened, high-quality acrylic, giving it a modern, sleek appearance while remaining surprisingly lightweight. Its transparent design ensures it blends seamlessly with any room decor, whether it's your living room, bedroom, or office. The cascading tier design not only looks stylish but also makes it easy to browse and retrieve your media quickly. Each tier comes with 1.9-inch slots, capable of holding up to 4 standard CD cases, and the entire unit can accommodate up to 32 CDs. One standout feature is its included 20 protective sleeves, providing additional organization and safeguarding your discs from dust and scratches. Beyond CDs and DVDs, this holder can be used for a variety of items, including cassette tapes, books, greeting cards, or even makeup products like eyeshadow palettes and brushes, making it a multi-functional solution for any space. Assembly is straightforward and can be completed in just 5 minutes. All screws and fasteners are included, and the compact 12-inch design maximizes vertical space, helping you keep your desktop or shelf clutter-free. The smooth acrylic surface is easy to maintain. A simple wipe with a damp cloth keeps it looking brand new. Overall, the 4-tier clear acrylic cascading CD holder offers durability, versatility, and style, combining practical storage with a clean, modern aesthetic. Whether you're a collector looking to showcase your favorite media, or simply want a smart storage solution, this organizer offers an elegant and functional way to keep your items tidy. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more honest product insights, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next.